Buongiorno e benvenuti, I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this majestic palazzo for sale in Naples. Check it out! Today we are in Naples, home to natural wonders such as the Vesuvius, which is right behind me. Naples is a short car ride from La Costiera Amalfitana or boat ride from the islands of Capri and Ischia. Naples is also famous for its culinary excellencies, amongst which is la pizza margherita, named after La Regina Margherita, which was the wife of King Umberto I. The palazzo was commissioned in the second half of the 1800s by the Duke Tommaso di Savoia, brother of Regina Margherita, wife of the King Umberto I. The project was assigned to the architect Augusto Guidini. Later on, the palazzo was then acquired by the Sanfelice di Monforte family. This magnificent palazzo with noble facade is one of a kind along the Viale. That is because it does not occupy 100% of the site, but it is surrounded by 200 square meters of external area. In each of the four corners of the site are four independent structures that were dedicated to different uses, such as a greenhouse, a birdhouse, the gardener's quarters, and a quarter dedicated to the surveillance personnel. Welcome to this stunning historical palazzo. Already from the main entrance, we can perceive its majesty with this stunning white marble staircase. Columns frame the central staircase that then divides into two separate and distinct reverse symmetrical staircases, each framed by these beautiful wrought iron railings. We are now heading towards Il Piano Nobile, and this brings our attention up to the rest of the space, where each floor wraps around this central stairwell that provides natural light, thanks to the glass and iron ceiling. We are now on the Piano Nobile, momentarily used for organizing events. However, it can become an elegant, independent apartment. We are now in the hallway that has beautiful cotto floors and gets its light from the internal staircase. From here, we can access three suites, which are similar in design. Each suite has a similar floor plan, with a first lounge area that enjoys a lot of natural light and beautiful cotto floors. Central to the space is the ensuite bathroom with black marble finishes, while adjacent is the actual room that is being used as a study at the moment. However, it can easily be transformed into a bedroom. And thanks to the double exposure, it's filled of natural light. Here is the staircase that will lead us to the floor above that we will see later on in the video. As you can see, the property enjoys a lot of natural light. From this room, we have a double access onto a terrace that connects to a balcony that wraps around the whole floor. This room would be a perfect drawing room. Each space throughout the floor has its own AC unit, so you can enjoy the perfect temperature all year round. Adjacent is a lounge area, which connects to a first access onto the stairwell. Also from here, we have access onto the terrace that lets in lots of natural light. Arriving to this prestigious library, which has a desk and a cozy lounge area that looks onto this gorgeous fireplace. Here we have true craftsmanship, mixing black, green, and red marble. That brings our attention up to the central chandelier that really ties the space together. This room has a double exposure and a lot of natural light. And from here, we can arrive to the heart of the floor. Welcome to the heart of the apartment. This room transmits the nobility and elegance of the palazzo. Here we have a first sitting area that looks onto a white marble fireplace. That is a true example of craftsmanship. Just look at the hand-carved details. Along the walls, the doors, and the ceiling, the golden decorations transmit true luxury. And always along the walls, we have an alternating between blue silk and mirrors. Central to the room is this majestic chandelier, and its reflection in the two symmetrical mirrors creates such a stunning effect. Right above us is a balcony, and that is because back in the day, this room was used as a theater, and that is where nobility used to sit. Here is a first of two dining rooms, ideal for more casual meals. The style here changes completely compared to the previous room. The lines and colors are simple yet elegant. The room has a double exposure with a lot of light. Central to the space is a table illuminated by a chandelier. And if we look up, we have lovely details on the frame of the ceiling. This second dining room is perfect for more formal events. The central table can sit 8 to 10 people, illuminated by a central chandelier. One thing that I absolutely love about this property is the high ceilings. From here, we have a view over the kitchen, and the choice of the dark green as a separator wall definitely creates contrast with the rest of the space. This kitchen is amazing. It's a stainless steel professional kitchen that has all the appliances one could ever want or need. The kitchen is developed in 2 distinct rooms. And as before, we have a view over the dining area. We are now going to head to the upper floor that is momentarily being used as office space. The upper floor is 200 square meters and could easily become an independent apartment. Right now, we are in the main hallway with windows that look onto the internal stairwell, and that is where it gets its natural light. From here, we can easily access a first office. Here we have a first office space, which has lovely frescoed ceilings and is directly connected to the meeting room. This spacious meeting room has lovely wooden floors, fine and elegant finishes, and is decorated by this stunning fresco on the ceiling. Centered to the room is this large meeting table, and ideally, this space could become a dining room. We are back in the hallway that has a beautiful mixture between marble floors and a central part with Vietri tiles. Here we have a cozy lounge area, and we are now headed towards the presidential office. We are now in the presidential office. This room has stunning wooden floors and could be easily transformed into a cozy living area or suite. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this majestic palazzo for sale in Naples. On that note, ciao!